So recently, YouTube rolled out a new live streaming feature called dual stream, which when enabled will automatically stream a cropped vertical version of your horizontal stream to the shorts feed. The idea is to help expand the reach of your streams, which of course should ultimately increase your revenue, subs, watch time, etc. What's also nice is that the chats and donations on each stream are automatically merged into one feed. Now, in its current state, there aren't any adjustments you can make to the crop, it just zooms into the center. However, we can expect cropping adjustments to be available sometime in 2026 with no ETA just yet. Dual ingestions are also on the roadmap and will be introduced in early 2026. What this means is you'd be able to use two different stream keys for the same stream, one for the horizontal feed and one for the vertical. This will come in handy when a simple crop just won't work because it's cropping out too many elements on the screen. As of right now, dual stream isn't available for every creator, but YouTube plans to roll it out for everyone in the next few months. So you're looking at early 2026 if you don't yet see it on your dashboard. But that's about it for now. I hope this video was helpful, and if you're interested in another way to help boost your channel's reach, watch time, etc., try checking out our site live247.io, where you can effortlessly launch and host 24/7 live streams for your YouTube channel. The link's in the description.